Social media marketing service has opened countless doors for businesses, especially small and medium enterprises, SMEs, that are just beginning to build their digital presence. It is a powerful tool for generating leads, boosting brand awareness, and driving sales. However, with ever-changing algorithms, platform inconsistencies, and the challenge of implementing effective multi-channel strategies, achieving optimal results can become daunting. This is where understanding and optimizing your return on investment, ROI, can become your greatest advantage. Why ROI matters for social media marketing. In today's dynamic digital landscape, every marketer has long-term goals that span years. However, success often comes from achieving short-term, measurable objectives that align with an effective social media strategy. Services. By tracking ROI, businesses can ensure their marketing efforts are on the right path, balancing long-term growth with immediate wins. While businesses can attempt to craft their strategies, getting the most out of your marketing efforts requires a clear plan and careful execution. So, how can you measure the success of your social media marketing? Let's explore how to measure the success of social media strategy services. 1. Set clear goals. The first step to measuring success in social media marketing service is setting clear and achievable goals. Start by identifying what you want to accomplish, whether it's increasing brand awareness, driving traffic to your website, generating new leads, or improving sales conversions. Goals should follow the SMART framework. They need to be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, "I want more followers," a better goal would be, "I want to gain 1,000 new Instagram followers in the next 3 months." Clear goals provide a foundation to track progress and adjust your strategy when necessary. Without these benchmarks, it becomes difficult to determine if your social media strategy services efforts are truly effective. 2. Identify key metrics. Once you set your goals, the next step is to determine which key performance indicators, KPIs, align with them. If your goal is to boost engagement, metrics like likes, shares, comments, and saves will help you measure success. You'll need to track conversion rates, click-through rates, CTR, and lead forms completed for lead generation or sales. Monitoring metrics such as impressions, reach, and audience growth also helps assess how far your content spreads and how well it resonates with your audience. By identifying and tracking the right metrics, you gain valuable insights into what is working and where adjustments are needed. Metrics transform vague goals into actionable data that can guide future decisions. 3. Track costs. Social media marketing solutions is an investment. Understanding your costs is critical to measuring ROI. Costs can include direct expenses, such as ad spend on Facebook or Instagram, as well as indirect costs like hiring content creators, designers, or marketing managers. Businesses should also consider expenses for tools, software subscriptions, like analytics platforms or scheduling tools, and even time spent managing campaigns. By tracking these costs meticulously, you'll gain a clearer picture of what your marketing efforts are worth and whether they're sustainable. The more detailed your cost breakdown, the easier it will be to determine the profitability of your campaigns and identify areas to optimize. 4. Assign monetary value to results. To effectively measure ROI, you need to assign monetary value to your campaign's results. Start by identifying the average revenue generated per lead or sale. For instance, if a customer spends $100 on average, and 10 customers come from a single campaign, your results are worth $1,000. Additionally, calculate the lifetime value, LTV, of customers acquired through social media, as repeat business often multiplies initial returns. Another approach is to measure cost savings, such as the value of organic traffic compared to what it would cost if driven through paid channels. Assigning tangible value to your efforts ensures your ROI calculations are accurate and helps justify future investments in social media strategy services. 5. Use analytics tools. Leveraging analytics tools is essential for tracking your social media performance and measuring ROI effectively. Social media platforms like Facebook Insights, Instagram Analytics, LinkedIn Analytics, and Google Analytics provide valuable data about audience behavior, campaign reach, and engagement. These tools help businesses understand which posts or campaigns generate the most engagement, leads, or conversions. Advanced tools like HubSpot, Hootsuite, or Sprout Social can consolidate data across multiple platforms to provide a holistic view of your performance. You can use analytics tools consistently to gain deep insights into your audience's preferences and optimize your campaigns for better results. Data-driven decisions are key to achieving success in any digital marketing services effort. 6. Calculate ROI. Calculating ROI is the most direct way to evaluate the effectiveness of your social media marketing campaigns. Use the formula revenue, investment x 100 to determine your ROI percentage. For example, if you spent $500 on a campaign and earned $2,000 in sales, your ROI would be 300%. In addition to revenue, consider other forms of ROI, such as leads generated, customer retention rates, or increased brand awareness. Regularly calculating ROI allows you to identify which campaigns are most profitable and which need improvement. By understanding these results, you can allocate your budget more effectively to maximize returns on future efforts. 7. Analyze and adjust. Social media marketing service is not a one-size-fits-all approach. Continuous improvement is critical to success. After analyzing your performance data, identify what works well and where you fall short. For instance, if one platform generates more engagement or leads than another, you might choose to focus more resources there. Similarly, if certain types of content, videos, infographics, or blog posts drive better results, you can replicate their success in future campaigns. Analyzing performance regularly and making strategic adjustments ensures that your social media strategy services remains effective and aligns with your evolving business goals. Flexibility and optimization are the keys to staying competitive in today's fast-changing digital landscape. Many marketers across the world focus on building campaigns based on analytics. This allows them to create effective, measurable ROI. However, not every SME has the time to do so. This is where Bizionic comes into play. We are your stairs to digital success, with custom software development solutions, comprehensive cloud architecture and integration, high-end cybersecurity, and new-age marketing solutions. We ensure your business gets success at every turn. Connect with our team today to get a free consultation about your business.